Hey everybody. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. We are starting out this video by showing you what I am going to be using in my decor for my foyer. This is going to be really simple, short, sweet, and to the point. So we are starting off with a pumpkin that I got from TJ Maxx, and I left a tag on it so I'll remember where it was from. And this was $14.99. It's sort of like a rock type, not a rock, but it's hard. These are two friends that I've had for years, and you can see where they're wearing down on me, but I'm just sitting them up there in the middle. I'm going to be adding this candle that I got from Bath & Body Works, and the stand that it's on is from the dollar spot out of Target. These three pumpkins were from Dollar Tree, and so of course they were $1.25 each, and they are ceramic. This sign right here is from Hobby Lobby, and I've had this probably for about a year now. I think I got it last year from Hobby Lobby, but they do have this same sign at Hobby Lobby now. These candle holder bulbs, I do not know how long I've had these, but the bulbs are gone. They broke, and so I just put those two little bulbs from some flowers that I had in them. These two vases are from Hobby Lobby, and I got them when Hobby Lobby was having either it was 50 or 60% off. I did haul it in one of my hauls. These florals are also from Hobby Lobby, and I've had these since last year, and so I'm just putting them in each of the vases. And then I also have a garland that I got from Joann's this year, and so I'm just sitting that here to complete the look, and I'm just going to kind of fix it up a little bit because it was kind of bent and I wanted to shape it up the best way I could. So again, this is simple, using the things that I've had around the home, and I did incorporate a couple of new pieces, but it is just some simple pieces put together. It doesn't have to be elaborate or over the top. I just wanted to show you how you can use some things that you have around the house to incorporate in your fall decor this year. And then the last thing I want to show you all is going to be a brown rug that I got from Amazon. I needed a new hall runner, and it is kind of like a beige and white, and so I got that this year as well, and I put that down on the floor. And I love the material. It's really soft, it's sleek, and it fits, and it's perfect for that spot. So now we're going to be moving into the dining room, and you guys see I went and bunched all that stuff up in my arms, and I got it out of my little I call it my decor room, but it's a guest bedroom. And we're just going to start putting stuff out. Now, these pumpkins I've had for years. I think I saw them the same pumpkins. I got them from Walmart. They were $5 a piece, I believe, when I got them, and I think now they're like $7.99 or $7.98 or something like that. They went up a little bit in the price, but they were still at Walmart when I was there the other day. I'm going to get my old handy dandy candle holders that I've also had for years, and I believe these candle holders came from either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. I cannot remember, but I've had these for years. It's probably about time to retire them, but I love them, and I think that they add a touch of class to my rustic farmhouse look, if you will. Now, I'm pulling out this garland, and I believe I got this garland last year from Joann's, and so I'm just going to incorporate that in my centerpiece. I did this last year as well, and then I took those picks that you see on the table, and I just kind of stuck it in where I could find, or where it fit, if you will. I kind of stuck it in. So now that I'm finished with my centerpiece, I'm going to start adding my place settings. These are very simple and to the point. I am using these chargers that I got from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago while they were on sale. They were like $1 and some change each. And these actually may have come from Michael's. The white plate came from Dollar Tree, and the green napkins also came from Hobby Lobby, and so did the top plate. Those came from Hobby Lobby as well. And so I'm just setting each place setting up, and then this table setting is pretty done. Now what you will notice, and I'm sorry you guys, my husband came in real quick because he was going to change the light. That lighting, like 4 light bulbs are out, and so he was trying to see if he can change it. But you'll know because he kind of shows his face and he asked me to cut it out, so I did. But with that being said, I'm just finishing this up. But when I show you the end, like right here, you will see where I noticed that this side was not as full, so I did have to go back and adjust it just a little bit to make this side just as full as the other side so it didn't look uneven. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sticking with me, and until next time, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you have an amazing day, night, or evening whenever you're watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.